Hello student, this is Sangeeta Mansukhani, video number 159. In this video I will be explain NCERT textual question. So question number first, write IUPAC name of the following compounds and classify into primary, secondary and tertiary amine. So here you see CH3 whole twice CHNH2. So NH2 nitrogen attach only one carbon. So this is the 1 degree amine. Okay, 1 degree amine, and then its name is, first you open the structure. Okay, so first you open the structure. So CH3 CH3 whole 2 CH NH2. Clear? So its name is, this is the chain. So 1 2 3 and second number NH2 group attached. So propane to amine, 1 2 3 propane to amine. Second number example, CH3 whole 2 CH2 whole 2 NH2. So here nitrogen attached this one carbon only. Okay, so this is also 1 degree amine because first you open the structure. So its name is 3 carbon and so propane, and first number is nitrogen attached. So its structure simple way, CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. Okay, so nitrogen attach only one carbon, 1 degree, and then 3 carbon attach in the one straight line. So its name is propane 1 amine. Clear? Third number CH3NH CH3 whole twice. Okay, so here nitrogen attach 2 carbon, 1 and 2. So this is the 2 degree amine, and then one side methyl group attach and one side carbon has 2 methyl also. So isopropyl group. Okay, so and methyl. Okay, name, first you open structures. See, CH3 NH CH CH3 and CH3, right? So this is the substrate group. So we have to select this chain, right? So and methyl and this chain propane and second number carbon amine. So and methyl propane 2 amine. Clear? Then CH3 whole 3 CNH2. NH2 attach only one carbon. So this is the 1 degree amine. But this carbon has 3 methyl group. Clear? So first we have to select chain. Clear? So its name is 2 methyl propane 2 amine. C CH3 whole CH3. Sorry. CH3 CH3 CH3. This is a CH3 whole 3. This is C attached with the NH2. So we select this chain. Second number carbon NH2 group and second number methyl group. So 2 methyl propane 2 amine. Clear? 2 methyl propane 2 amine, and its nitrogen attach only one carbon, so 1 degree amine. Clear? Okay. So same here, seventh number C meta bromo C6H5 NH2. So C6H4, that is means benzene ring, meta position Br attach, and here NH2. Clear? So its name is first, second and third 3 bromo aniline because NH2 attached with the benzene, so its name is aniline. So 3 bromo aniline. Clear? Question number second, give one chemical test to distinguish between the following pairs of the compound. So first is methylamine and dimethylamine. Okay, a methylamine and dimethylamine can be easily distinguished by the carbylamine. Reason? Because methylamine being the primary amine and gives offensive smell on heating with chloroform and alcoholic solution of the cure. Because this is the which test, carbylamine test, only for given by the 1 degree amine. Clear? Second number, secondary amine and tertiary amine we have to easily distinguish by the Lieberman nitrosoamine. Okay, Lieberman nitrosoamine. So you write the equation. Okay. Third, ethylamine and aniline. So ethylamine is a aliphatic and aniline is a aromatic. So only for azo-dye test, ethylamine is aliphatic and aniline is a aromatic. So both are distinguished by the azo-dye test. Okay. Then fourth is aniline and benzylamine. Aniline also aromatic, benzylamine also aliphatic or aromatic. So both are distinguished by the azo-dye test. Then fifth is aniline and methyl aniline. Aniline and N-methyl can be distinguished by the carbylamine test. Aniline being a primary amine, so give this test. And other N-methyl aniline, it is not primary amine, so it is not give carbylamine test. Clear? Then question number 3. Account for the following. pKb of the aniline is more than that of the methylamine. Okay, pKb of the aniline is more than that of the methylamine. Okay, so we have to already know about higher value of the pKb of the aniline indicates it to be a weaker base than the methylamine. Okay, and in methylamine the electron releasing effect of the CH3 group increase, so electron density on nitrogen atom of amino group. Electron releasing effect, inducing effect of CH3 group increase, so increase the electron density on nitrogen atom of the amine group. And otherwise in way aniline, electron density is decreased due to the delocalization of the lone pair of the electron over the benzene. So aniline is weaker base than methylamine. And simple differentiate way, aniline is a aromatic way and in which present resonance. Okay, and methylamine not a present resonance. Okay, so CH3 group is electron releasing group. Clear? And here electron releasing group, so its value for the aniline, higher value of the pKb. Okay, so indicates it a weaker base than the comparison methylamine. Next question is, ethylamine is soluble in water whereas aniline is not. So ethylamine is soluble in water, reason because it is form hydrogen bond to the water molecule. Here you see the ethylamine C2H5NH2, this is the ethylamine, and form the bonding hydrogen bond with the other water molecule. So this is the formation bonding, hydrogen bonding. Clear? So easily form hydrogen bonding. So NH2 group present in the aniline, so can also form hydrogen with water molecule, but the benzene ring is water repelling group. So net hydrogen bonding occurs to a very small extent, so that makes aniline insoluble in water. Okay, next question number 3. Methylamine in water react with the ferric chloride to precipitated hydrated ferric oxide. Okay, methylamine in water react with the ferric chloride to precipitate hydrated ferric oxide. So here you see methylamine forms some hydroxide ion, so when dissolved in water, due to the following acid base equilibrium. So here you see methylamine CH3NH2 react with the water, so give its hydroxide ion, because nitrogen give its lone pair to the oxygen, right? And NH2 nitrogen accept proton, so NH3 plus, and then oxygen accept the electron, so OH minus, and these OH minus ion react with the Fe3 plus ion, and Fe3 plus ion react, OH minus ion react with the Fe3 plus ion, so 2 form ferric hydroxide, 2 Fe3 plus 6 OH minus, so 2 FeOH whole thrice, 2 Fe3 plus 6 OH minus, so convert into the 2 FeOH3. Then next is, fourth is, although amino group is ortho and para directing in aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, but aniline on nitration gives a substantial amount of the meta-nitroaniline. So nitration only for carried out with the concentrated HNO3 in the presence of the sulfuric acid, right? Is it? So presence of these acids, NH2 groups of the anilines gets protonated and converted into the NH3 plus group. That is a simple concept is nitrogen give its lone pair to the acid and then accept the proton. So nitrogen this is the group is basic nature and acid nature is acidic nature. So positive charge create on the nitrogen. So positively charged group acts as a strong electronic withdrawing group. So incoming electrophile goes to the meta position. Clear? Next question number 5. Aniline doesn't undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. So you already known about in Friedel-Crafts reaction AlCl3 is added as a catalyst, which is a Lewis acid, and it form a salt with aniline due to the nitrogen of the aniline. So acquire positive charge. So here you see this is the aniline. So react with the AlCl3. So same process, given its lone pair to the chlorine except the AlCl3. So here you see NH2 plus bond AlCl3 minus. So this positively charged act as a strong deactive group. So aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Clear? Next is Gabriel thalamide synthesis is preferred for synthesizing primary amine. Gabriel thalamide synthesis is preferred for synthesizing primary amine. Okay, so you already know about Gabriel thalamide synthesis involves the nucleophilic attack on the alkyl halide, and during the reaction alkyl group attached to the attacking nitrogen atom. So further attack on a second molecule of the alkyl halide is not possible. So pure primary amine are formed in this reaction. Okay, so Gabriel thalamide synthesis only for involve in nucleophilic attack on the alkyl halide. So during this reaction, so easily attack to the nitrogen atom. So further attack on a second molecule of the alkyl halide is not possible. So pure primary amines are formed in this reaction. Next question is arrange the following. First is in decreasing order of the pKb value. So here you see C2H5NH2, C6H5NHCS3, C2H5 whole twice NH, C6H5NH2. So first you see which type of the amine. Okay, so here you see decreasing order of the pKb value. So first you will see low pKb value, that is means a stronger base. So we have to already known about this is the aromatic amine. This is the aromatic amine, but this is the 1 degree amine. This is the aniline, and this is the aromatic but 2 degree amine, because nitrogen attached one side phenyl group and one side CS3. This is the ethyl group. This is the also 1 degree. This is the 2 degree. So you already known about aniline represent resonance structure. Clear? So its value is okay. Its decreasing order. Okay, so its pKb value is high. Okay, then aromatic amine secondary type. फिर 1 degree, then 2 degree. Clear? Next, second number, increasing order of the basic strength. Okay, so increasing order of the basic strength. So here given sequence. So first you identify C6H5NH2, C6H5NHCS3, CS3NH2, C2H5 whole twice NH2. So higher secondary, then higher 3 degree, but here not given. So basic nature of the 3 degree amine greater, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, then aromatic amine. Aromatic amine 2 degree, and then aromatic amine 1 degree. Clear? Then third, next increasing order of the basic strength. Same here according to the second. But here A aniline, para nitroaniline, para toluene, 3 of the aromatic. So you already known about aniline, NH2 group. Okay, third one. So aniline. So then para toluene, CS3 group, and para nitroaniline, NO2 group, electrophilic group or are attached. Okay, so para toluene higher, then alanine, then para nitroaniline. Clear? Then C6H5 aromatic, then aromatic 2 degree, and then aromatic 1 degree. Okay, so aromatic 1 degree has a basic strength greater because it is induced the electrons. So nitrogen easily given its lone pair to the other. Okay, and what is the meaning of the basic strength? Easily donate the lone pair and accept the proton. So its nature is basic nature. Clear? Okay, then fourth is decreasing order of the basic strength in gas phase. But you learn this is way gas phase. This is sequence you learn because, and given 4 question is ethyl group, and ethyl group I already discussed about ethyl group. Okay, so 3 degree, then 2 degree, and then 1 degree, and then ammonia. Okay, and simple way alcoholic and aliphatic amine, and then 2 degree aliphatic amine. So ethanol is greater, then 1 degree, and then 2 degree, and then same here 1 degree, then 2 degree, and then aromatic. Clear? So please see the basic concept. Okay, I already discussed in the last videos. Okay, clear? Then next is Next question is, how will you convert? First, I have to say before this question, first you learn, okay, practice whenever I explain one by one topic. So you please focus the reaction, okay, and without writing it is not possible. So one by one reaction you practice. Okay, theoretical portion write it is not necessary, but reaction, any concept, okay, you write, okay, because practice the reaction, then you learn easily. Clear? Okay, and this question based on the reaction. So first you learn reaction, so practice, because which reaction given in your book. Clear? So like here given question, how will you convert ethanoic acid into methenamine and methenamine? But first you learn which type, how many reaction you conversion. So conversion possible, say ethanoic acid CH3COOH. Then in the last product you see CH3NH2 methenamine. So first product COOH group, and then last product NH2 group. So this acid group replaced by the amine. So how many steps you follow? So see, we have to remove this group, but how it is possible? Because we have to see which reaction possible in the experimental way. Clear? So like acid react with the PCl5. So this bond is break and CO attach with the Cl. So COCl and then remaining out. Okay, main product only for right. Then after Cl we have to replace an NH2 group attach. So we have to react this compound with ammonia. So NH3 attached, so hydrogen replaced by the Cl and NH2 group attached, and remaining only for CO group replacement. So react with this group CONH2 amide, react with the Br2 and then KOH. Okay, so easily this is out group and then NH2 attached CH3, this is form methenamine. Clear? Then next is CH3 CH2 whole 4 Cl, cyanide, hexa, how many? 1 and here 4, and 6th number carbon of the cyanide. So total is hexanitrile. So hexanitrile. So here is 1, 4 carbon, 5 and 6 hexanitrile, and react with the H2O and then H plus. So then convert it, the acid group, okay, attach with the oxygen because oxidation. So COOH, then react with the PCl5. So this OH group replaced by the phosphorus and chlorine, and 1 Cl attached with this. So COCl. Then we have to join amine group. So we have to react this compound NH3 ammonia, and then simple way same, first hydrogen replaced by Cl and NH2 group attached. So amide group are formed. Then after react with the bromine and KOH. So it is formed 1 aminopropentane. Then question number 3. Methanol to ethanoic acid. How will you convert methanol to ethanoic acid? So methanol CH3OH and ethanoic acid CH3COH. So here you see only for difference in OH, OL, alcoholic group and acid group COOH. So methanol OH and then ethanoic acid COOH. So first you react with the SOCl2, methanol react with the thionyl chloride. So hydrogen OH group easily replaced by this and Cl attach. That CH3, this is the first step. Then second step, this Cl replaced by the KCl, aqueous KCl. So KCl and cyanide are attached. And then third step, hydrolysis of the cyanide group. So COOH and then nitrogen with hydrogen isolated. So COOH acid group are formed. Clear? Then next is ethanamine CH3CH2NH2 convert into the methanamine CH3NH2. So here 2 carbon and here only 1 carbon. So first react with the sodium nitrite with the HCl. So 273 to 278 Kelvin. Okay. Then this NH2 group and here also NH2 group. So first 1 carbon replacement. First remove the NH2. Again this is add. Okay. So sodium nitrate and HCl. So OH group are attached. Then again acidic group K2Cr2O7 react oxidizing agent. Okay, so acid are formed CH3COOH. Then react with the PCl5. This is the second step. Third step, PCl5. Okay, so CH3, CO and Cl attach, and then hydrogen replaced by phosphorus. Then COCl again, here you see NH2 group again, so one carbon less. So first react with the ammonia, so CONH2 amide group, and then react with the Br2 and KOH. This is the fourth step, and this is the fifth. So Br2 KOH, so form CO replaced by the Br2 KH, and CH3 NH2 are formed, methaneamine. Okay, so you learn how many steps. Okay, so please learn the steps. This is convert to the, this is like ethanamine converted to the methanamine. So total how many steps you follow? 5 steps. Okay, then but before this conversion, please learn and practice. Okay, in the chapter given reaction. Okay, clear? Then easily you identify which reaction occur. Okay, in between the reactant. Clear? Okay, so please practice. Clear? Then fifth step, ethanoic acid to the propanoic acid. So ethanoic acid 2 carbon and propanoic 1, 2, 3. So 1 carbon increase. So first react lithium aluminum hydride, then formation alcohol, and then react with the SOCl2. Second step, so Cl are attached, OH are replaced. Third step, aqueous KCl, so KCl are replaced and cyanide attached. Then fourth step, react hydrolysis, so COOH acid group are formed. Clear? So then next is 6th point, 7th point and 8th point. So please see the how many steps you try, and if you have not if you have confused any doubt, so please tell me by message. Okay? Okay, so again I explain. Clear? Okay, next question is, describe a method for the identification of the primary, secondary and tertiary amine. I already explained in my last videos. Chemical equation also I explained. And then next, 7th number, write short notes on the following. Next is write short notes on the following. So given the naming reaction, and naming reaction I already explained one by one. Okay, carbylamine reaction, diazotization, Hofmann-Bromamide reaction, coupling reaction, ammonolysis, acetylation and Gabriel Thalamide reaction. Okay, so please focus, please practice that reaction. I already explained my last videos. Okay, and maximum times in board exam naming reaction maximum came. Okay, so please focus, but practice also. Clear? Okay, one by one time you write and then check, then again write. Okay, clear? Next question I will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much.